Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel MEM Growth. So in the last video, we discussed about the native dropdown and custom dropdown. And I feel like you have all understood the concepts very well. So today we are going to discuss about the alert handling. So in JavaScript, it has a 3 built-in browser dialog. Okay. Let me show you. So this is the URL. Actually, I tried to find out the alerts in this page, but I couldn't exactly find out. So today I have got this one, the Heroku app. Okay. So here you can see there are 3 different dialogues available. This is the built-in JavaScript dialogues. So this is one. The first one is alert. So it's having the simple message and with one button. Okay. And the second type is confirm. This is also having the simple message. I am a JS confirm, and it has the 2 buttons, OK and cancel. Either you can give OK or you can give cancel. Okay. And the third one is the prompt. It will just has the same 2 buttons, and then the user can enter any message on it. So these are all the 3 things which is available. So we have to handle them. But can you see, once you click on it, if this dialog comes, the page is freezed. You can't do any action. Okay. So what happens is, before even clicking this alert button or confirm button or prompt, we have to create a handler. So how we can do that is, in Playwright we can use page.once event. Okay. You can, I will show you the, so I have just whatever I have told, I have given it as a bulletin points. There are 3 types and all these things. And we can use page.once dialog event. Okay. With this, we can create a handler. Once we create the handler, so this we will come back. So this is the handler. Okay. Page.once dialog event. So inside this page.once, it has 2 parameters. This is the event and this one is the function. So when you register this handler, it will be ready to listen. Okay. So when the dialog appears, immediately this function is executing. You're telling the handler, when the dialog appears, immediately execute this function, dialog function. Okay. Inside the function, we have dialog.type, dialog.message, dialog.accept. This is an action. This will give the type, whether it is a alert or confirm or prompt, and this will give you the message. Okay. So we have to register this handler before even clicking this button. Only then we can do the test execution continuously without any error. Okay. But what happens if you just click on this button? Okay, before even registering any event, if you click here, if you're not having any handler, there is nothing to listen or handle this. Okay, so then you will end up in, if you just first write clicking this button and then write the handler, there is no use, because the Playwright freezes and you will get unhandled dialog box error. Okay, so let's start writing the code. So I have created a file, alertspec.js, and we are importing the Playwright test runner, and we have to create the test block alert, and then page fixture we are going to import. Okay, and sorry. Okay, and this should be async. ASY. Now inside the test block we can write this page.once event dialog, and then you have to give the dialog function. So even here you have to mention it as async. Okay, everything in Playwright we have to handle with async. So as I told, page.once, it has a 2 parameter. The first one is the event dialog and the next one is the function. This is the function. So this is the handler. It will be ready. Okay. So now we are going to console.log dialog.type. you can just mention this is alert type. Okay, so the same way you can have I told you there is another message dialog.message, so you can just enter dialog.message, and then you can have alert. This is alert message, and next we are going to click on the await dialog dot accept. That's all. Okay, so the handler is ready, and then we can click on the button await. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to go to the page dot go to. We have to give the URL. Okay, so once you navigate to the URL, then you're registering the event, and this you're clicking the button. So you just go back and see this is click for JS alert. Okay, we can use page dot get by text dot click, and then once you click you can see here. So once you click here, it says you successfully clicked an alert. You are going to validate this. So here you have it like again you are validating await expect page dot get by text, and you can give the text dot to be visible. Okay, so we are good. We have yeah, in this function, inside the function we have given, we are trying to identify the type and message, and we are performing the action. Let's run the test case. Okay, alert spec.js, and I'm going to execute in UI mode. It's running. Okay, it just ran too fast. Okay, let me give some weight, and then so that you can see very well. Okay, it started running again. So here you can see the dialog box appears and the OK button is clicked. Okay, so this is how the alert is handled. So next we are going to see for the confirm, another test case. Okay, we will skip this one. Test.skip. Okay, in this the same thing here, instead of yeah, you can give await dialog.accept, and you can also give await dialog.dismiss, because in the confirm you have two actions. Either you can accept or dismiss. So in the earlier we have seen accept, so now we can see the dismiss action. So here the confirm type and confirm message, this is all going to be the same. See, it's going to show the dialog type. See here, yeah, see here the alert type is alert. Do you see? And the alert message is I am the JS alert. The message is I am JS alert. Okay, it has fetched this message and it is showing you when you give dialog.message, it will give you the message. And then it clicked OK by using the dialog.accept. Okay, now this is the click JS confirm, right? So here you have to get the text using this. We have to change this. And once you do this, when you click OK, you clicked OK will come. But here we are going to do cancel, right? So it will come, you click cancel. So you have to validate this particular message is displayed or not. So you will use get by text and that's all. Okay, let me also include for prompt. Okay, the same thing. Here along with this accept message, you can also give the message whatever you want to type. Okay, I will say hello. Okay, that's all. I'm happy. So here I'll enter hello. Okay, and you can see, so I have to change this also. Okay, it's done. Okay, so I'm entering the message as hello and I'm validating. Once I enter, it has to say you entered hello. Okay, yeah, good. Okay, let's run the test case. I think we are all good. Alert spec.js headed. It will run in the UI mode. Okay, so here first this click JS for alert. Sorry, JS confirm, and now it is the prompt. Okay, here you can see one skipped and two passed. The confirm, the type is confirm and the confirm message is I am a JS confirm. You can see the message here. See, I am a JS confirm. Okay, and the next one is the prompt. Sorry, let me make it bigger. The next one is prompt and I am a JS prompt. Inside there, you can see I am a JS prompt. Okay, so yeah, that's all for today. If you want show the see the report, I can show you. We wantedly skipped the first test case, so that is skipped because we already ran and it was working good. See here you can see for the confirm, all this assertion is passed, and even for the prompt expect to be visible. So this assertion is passed, accept dialog, everything is good. So you can see the results. So I think we are good. That's all for today. So we just understand like how we can handle alerts, prompt and confirm. Okay. So thanks guys. Thanks for watching the video.